So, good day everyone. I am Carmela Yakainkoy, and today I'll be sharing my learning in ESC 21, Engineering Management. My presentation follows the question, what makes engineering different? Is it the science, the skill, or the responsibility to build what others only imagine? My goal is to connect my learnings in this subject to how engineering makes ideas real. So, what makes engineering different? These questions guided my reflection. To me, engineering is unique because it combines science to understand systems, skills to solve problems, and lastly, responsibility to build things that affect real people. This subject helped me understand the management side of engineering, not just the technical part. These are the three main questions I will answer in my presentation. What I specifically learned, how these learnings will help my career, and my suggestions to improve the course. I'll go through each one clearly and simply. So, one of the biggest things I learned is how important planning and decision making are in engineering. Engineering decisions are not just technical, they can also be managerial, strategic, and people centered. This made me realize engineers must consider not only the design but also the team, resources, risk, and long term effects. These are the technical and managerial skills I gained from the subject. First is planning tasks through Gantt charts, estimating cost, manpower, and resources, forecasting risk and comparing options, doing feasibility analysis, understanding product life cycle, and balancing technical work with leadership. These skills are the foundation of a good project manager. My insight, my main insight is even the best design can fail without proper planning. Engineering management showed me that success comes from both technical excellence and good management. You can have the best idea, but if it's not managed well, it might still fail. These skills directly help my future as an agricultural and biosystems engineer. They prepare me for roles involving leadership and organizing projects, communicating with a team, making decisions based on data, managing time, resources, and risk. These are real skills used in industries, farms, processing plants, and engineering firms. These management skills are essential especially for engineers who will lead projects, supervise operation, work in applied industries. This subject helps me become not just an engineer, but also an effective leader. Lastly, if I could recommend improvements on this subject, I would say more real life engineering case studies, topics focused on Philippine industries, especially agriculture, based on my course. And lastly, more hands on activities like simple project plans, cost estimates, and scheduling. Thank you for listening. Engineering management helped me see engineering from a wider perspective, not just building.